You're not feeling well and you need some medicine to take of it? Go to a pharmacy for an immediate remedy. Hello, my name is Hide and welcome to another episode of Japanese Unlimited. If you're new to our channel and wish to watch our previous episodes, just click here. In this video, we will teach you some of the common sentences which could be heard when you visit a pharmacy. In Japan, you usually self-diagnose before going to a specialist. Let's start. それでは始めましょう。In the following situation, a customer is suffering from a headache and asks a pharmacist for a specific first aid. I hope that the following sentences will be helpful to you. すみません。頭が痛くて、頭痛用のお薬はありますか? This means, excuse me, I've got a headache. Could you give me a medicine for it? You can say 薬 if you want to. However, adding o before nouns adds a sense of respect and politeness. So, 薬 will become お薬。どういうふうな痛みですか? ズキズキした痛みですか? 締め付けられる痛みですか? 刺されるような痛みですか? This means, what kind of pain is it? A throbbing pain, squeezing pain, or sharp pain? If you want to explain situations or occasions in an abstract but effective manner, onomatope is definitely a good expression to use. Zuki-zuki is one onomatope which gives a staff or a third person more specific details of the kind of pain that you are feeling. 締め付けられるような痛みです。This means squeezing pain. なるほど。それはストレスから来ていますね。そしたら、この薬ですね。胃に優しくて眠くならない薬です。1日2錠、朝と夜、食後に飲んでください。もし治らないようでしたら、お医者さんに見てもらってください。This means, I see. That pain comes from stress. It is a tension-related headache. This medicine is easing on your stomach and non-drowsy. Please take 2 tablets after breakfast and dinner. When you count a pill, the unit will be joule. If you still feel pain after taking some tablets, I suggest that you see a doctor. ありがとうございます。This means thank you. お大事にしてください。This means please get well soon. This is the exact phrase when you hope that patient will be okay or recover from the bad shape. Let's look and listen at the conversation one more time. This time without the explanation. This is a typical conversation in the pharmacy.
すみません。頭が痛くて、頭痛用のお薬はありますか? どういうふうな痛みですか? ズキズキした痛みですか? 締め付けられる痛みですか? 刺されるような痛みですか? 締め付けられるような痛みです。なるほど。それはストレスから来ていますね。そしたら、この薬ですね。胃に優しくて眠くならない薬です。1日1錠、食後に飲んでください。もし治らないようでしたら、お医者さんに見てもらってください。ありがとうございます。お大事にしてください。
I hope that this episode will be helpful to you once you find yourself in a similar situation. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. And also, please hit the bell button if you wish to be notified every time we upload a brand new lesson video. Because in this channel, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you in our next episode. またね